I just had to say, oh la la, we should get acquainted like, oh my God, I don't speak your language. I just had to say, oh la la, we should get acquainted.
Hey guys, welcome back to J Stu Studios.
You guys really enjoyed our megaphone prank we did last week, and a lot of you left this comment saying we should do like an eating loudly edition with the megaphone.
So that's what we're doing today. So let's go get some food.
Okay.
I wish I had dressing. Shoot, I should have brought that.
Are you doing some sort of experiment?
What experiment would that
I
be?
don't know. Eating lettuce into a microphone in a library.
No, I'm just kind of hungry.
I was wondering if you could keep it down.
Like down here?
Or maybe just not eat into the speakerphone.
I don't want to hurt.
I'm good.
Okay.
Why do you have this?
This? I don't know. Why do you have a book?
I don't know.
See?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. I'm pretty good. Nom, 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 nom.
5 minutes later.
Nom, nom, nom. Oh, nom, nom, nom. Oh.
You should do
Who's that?
cheese.
Stop, please.
Oh, sorry. Was
Yeah.
it too loud?
It's a library.
Oh, I thought this was the hangout zone.
No.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Say what?
What are you doing?
I'm just having a snack.
Why are you using the megaphone?
I don't know.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you want to see more, and anything else you want to say, bro? You're good. All right, we'll see you next time. Hey, we're just making a YouTube vid. Are you guys okay with being in it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
For our reaction.
Yeah.